Most people are busy, and after a full day of work, the last thing we want to do is make dinner. Yet we have to eat something. Often the easiest thing to do is call for pizza, pasta, or Chinese food. A lot of people resign themselves to takeout, including pizza and pasta, or to frozen dinners. These are about the worst things you can eat when you have diabetes.
Takeout or delivery is so popular that most families have this kind of food at least once a week, according to the survey by US Foods. The problem is this food is not healthy for us. In this video, we share our ideas about inexpensive, nutritious lunches that are quick and easy to make. Diabetes sucks.
But at Simply Diabetes, we can help you manage your diabetes cheaper and easier.
We are not medical professionals. We are people with diabetes, just like you.
Welcome. Why do people like restaurant food, takeout, and delivery so much?
I would imagine it's easy and quick. And more people don't know how to cook.
Cooking is an essential life skill.
Right. It's also not that difficult to learn the basics. You don't have to cook complicated dishes that would win major awards. If it's filling and tasty and healthy, you're good.
And simpler is often better.
Exactly. Look at our own dishes. Neither one of us loves cooking, but we eat decent food most days, and it doesn't cost us a fortune. Many diabetes recipes limit the serving sizes, but if I wanted to follow that, I'd be ready to chomp on my own elbows in no time. Being hungry all the time is not a good feeling. We need to fill up enough so we aren't tempted to eat another meal after dinner. So we don't limit the protein and certainly not veggies, as long as the veggies aren't too carby.
You mean no corn?
Corn isn't really a vegetable, luckily for you since you don't like it. It's about as good for us as potatoes or bread. In other words, not for us. If you love corn, it's best to eat it in smaller portions.
One of our favorites is tuna melt. For most people, this means tuna and cheese on top of a slice of bread. But there's no need for all the carbs from the bread. Our tuna melt is placed directly on the plate. It is delicious, has additional veggies, and it's quick and easy to make. Here, let me show you.
I love it when you make this recipe.
Let's look at the stats. One serving contains only 3 impact carbs. The cost depends on where you buy your ingredients. We used our local store and no sales and came up with $2.30. We often buy tuna on sale for a lot less, and veggies in a Latino store are also much better price-wise. The basic ingredients can be mixed into your specific taste. Delete or add ingredients as you like.
Another recipe that we like and that is quick and easy is an egg salad. Ours is very low carb and it takes only a few minutes to make. We always have hard-boiled eggs in the fridge, which makes it so much easier. Let me show you how I make this one. Here are the stats. Notice that we don't eat any bread with this salad. Eggs are expensive right now because of the avian flu and should get down in price when that's over. Also, if you buy them on sale, you can do better than we did. If you can grow your own leafy greens, they're basically free.
That's a really good meal for summer. We usually eat a lot of salads in summer. In winter when it's cold, we like soups.
Yes, soups are the ultimate in easy, nutritious, and frugal meals. The work is minimal. All you have to do is chop the ingredients, put them in the pot, and then the soup cooks basically by itself. We have the entire video about that. I've added the link below.
Another easy idea is to cook a big batch of meat that you find on sale. It could be chicken or pork or beef. The easiest thing is to throw the meat into a baking dish, add some spices, and bake until it's done. It hardly takes any work at all. Just make sure you use a timer so you don't forget the meat is cooking.
We partition the cooked meat into portions just right for us and freeze. When dinner time comes, we get one package of the meat and microwave it until it's hot.
Another option is sausage. It provides quick protein and all you need to do is heat it up. No cooking required.
As long as there is no sugar in the sausage. Some sausages have sugar, so check this.
Why?
I don't know. While that's heating, I usually make a salad. Just a basic garden salad with leafy greens, tomatoes, onions, and whatever veggies we happen to have in the fridge. I make our own dressing out of brine plus homemade yogurt. Or I quickly mix olive oil and balsamic vinegar. That's the simplest salad there is, and this goes with just about any meat.
What about potatoes? Many people love them, particularly with gravy.
Potatoes raise blood sugar like crazy, so they are not the best choice for us. Still, some people can't live without them. My mom, for example, she can't imagine dinner without potatoes. So I convinced her to eat less of them. Initially, she thought she'd be hungry, but that's because she imagined she'd cut down on potatoes and wouldn't make any other changes. She now added more veggies and is a lot happier with the meals.
I also heard that if you cook potatoes and let them cool down, they will raise blood sugar less.
Yes, that actually works. You can reheat the potatoes if you like them hot, and the impact of your blood sugar will still be gentler.
Why does this work?
I'm not sure. I only know that it works because I tested it, watching the effects with my continuous glucose monitoring, or CGM. If you know why this works, tell us in the comments. Also, if you have good, easy, and inexpensive recipes, share them with us in the comments.
If you found this video useful, give us a like and subscribe to our Simply Diabetes channel. And don't forget to tell your friends.
See you next week.